Hi, you're welcome to Explore Insight. So in this video, I want to take you on representation of sign numbers using complement form. So before we get started, let me just say one or two things. In the introduction to this topic, I've already made mention about the representation of sign numbers, which can be in either sign magnitude form or complement form. So please, if you have not watched the video on that, please go back to watch the video before coming in so that you can have good knowledge and foundation. So without any further ado, let's dive into what we have now as I try to simplify for you to understand the topic. Okay, so we have one complement of sign number. Okay, so we are going to use different example, and before we do that, I'd like us to do some recall. So the first recall I want us to do is it is stated that every positive sign will have a sign bit of 0. So that's what we have here. And for negative, the sign bit will be 1. So let's see the first complement we have here. Now, taking 7 as the digits number, which we want to convert to actual binary, we are going to have 111. But if we want to check the first complement, the rule says you're going to change every single digit. For instance, if the bit is 1, in first complement is going to be 0, and vice versa. So now we have 1. For first complement, it's going to change to 0. And this other one, 0, 0. So this is why the first complement of 7 is 0, 0, 0. Now, let's see the first complement of minus 7. The first complement of minus 7. Now, minus here is what we have here as 1. This is why the sign bits will come in as 1. And then for 7, since it's 1, 1, we are looking for the first complement, so we are going to have 0, 0, 0. So to that, we are going to have 1, 0, 0, 0. So if we are asked what is the first complement of minus 7, it's actually 1, 0, 0, 0. Now, let's go further to look for the first complement of plus 7. Now, for plus 7, the sign bit is going to be 0. Take your recall from here. And then for plus 7, by binary format, it's supposed to be 1, 1, 1. But here, we are asked for the first complement, so we are going to have 0, 0, 0. So if we put this together, we are actually having 0, 0, 0, 0. So if you are asked the first complement of plus 7 is actually 0, 0, 0, 0. So I'll proceed to the second complement of sign numbers. Now, the rules of the second complement is just a summation of the first complement and 1. What does that mean? It means whatever we have in our first complement, we just add 1 to it. Now, from what we have gotten from this first complement, we are going to put that for the second complement by adding 1. So since the first complement for minus 7 gave us 1, 0, 0, 0 from here, from here. So if we add 1 to it, we are just going to have 1, 0, 0, 1. Remember, the sign bit doesn't change. Now the same thing, if we are to consider for plus 7, we're going to have 0, 0, 0, 1. This is for the sign bit. Literally before, 1 complement was 0, 0, 0. So plus 1, making it the 2 complement, is going to be 0, 0, 1. So therefore, we can say that if we are considering for the sign magnitude form, we have 1, 1, 1 for the first complement, which is going to be the opposite of the magnitude bit. We'll have 0, 0, 0, and this one, which is the sign bit, which doesn't change. Now for the two complements, we're going to have 1, 0, 0, 0. All this is for minus 7. If you're considering sign magnitude form, first complement form, second complement form. Now the same, if we go over to plus 7, for the sign magnitude form, we're going to have 0, 1, 1, 1. For the first complement, we'll have 0, 0, 0, 0. For the second complement, we're going to have 0, 0, 0, 0, 1. 0, 0, 0, 1. So I hope I've been able to teach you on the representation of sign numbers using complement form. So please do well to like, to subscribe, and to also share this video to your friends and family. So do have a nice time, and make sure you watch my subsequent videos and my previous videos too. So have a nice time. Bye.